This home was built in the mid-70s, and I'm pretty certain that the roof that it was built with was still on it when we bought the home about 8 years ago. So it was in need of being done. You know, we've looked at solar for a very long time. We did a lot of research about different companies and different solutions. And when Ross came and shared the program that they have, we bundled all that together. We got a brand new roof, gutters, the whole works, along with the solar system. Our electric bill was well over $300 a month. And my monthly payment for the loan is considerably less than my electric bill. So when friends ask me what was the payback on your solar system, I say day one, because in fact it really is. When we decided to get serious about this, we had, I believe, 4 different presentations done. Solar Tech Elec, the price was the best of everything that was pitched to us. I felt that their experience was going to result in a better outcome, and in fact, I'm pretty certain it did. We've just been delighted. The process went pretty much exactly as it was described to us. We have not had a single problem with the thing since it was installed. And with Solar Tech Elec, there were no surprises. We set a plan at the outset. We had to have the roof done first and all of the work that was associated with that. I have a flat roof section here that had to be sloped slightly, and they understood all of that without me having to explain it. And the results are perfect. And I can't speak highly enough about the company and about the service that we've gotten. My name is Ken Rosenberger, and I highly recommend Solar Tech Elec.